This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Markets were mostly in risk-on mode on Thursday as the combination of positive economic indicators and potential coronavirus vaccines kept alive hopes of a strong recovery from the pandemic. But with U.S. markets closed on Friday for Independence Day celebrations, the early release of the all-important non-farm payrolls report could easily upset the fragile risk appetite, setting the tone for the next few days. The U.S. economy likely added 3 million jobs in June, which would bring down the unemployment rate to 12.3% and reinforce the view that the recovery is so far looking V-shaped. However, the jobs numbers are becoming increasingly hard to predict during the pandemic. The ADP employment report has already provided a glimpse as to what to expect, and it surprised significantly to the downside. The question is, which way will the U.S. dollar go if NFP figures suggest the recovery is in trouble? So far, the greenback has been acting as a safe haven, rising even on weak domestic data. But what if the recovery remains on track in the rest of the world, with only America at significant risk of further shutdowns? Today's job report could be the unraveling of the dollar's safe haven status. Ahead of those numbers, the greenback slid against a basket of currencies, and the yen also lost ground against its major peers, but gold suffered the biggest pullback. Expectations that the mega stimulus packages unleashed by governments and central banks around the world will protect economies from the virus hit continue to overpower growing fears of a second wave and warnings of a slow recovery. Moreover, markets are still pricing in a vaccine becoming available in 2021, and the regular news flow of positive early trial results is giving investors no reason to revise their predictions. Asian and European shares climbed higher today, though most indices remain confined to their recent ranges. Chinese stocks were the exception, which soared on the announcement of a multi-trillion yuan fiscal stimulus by the government. The gains come despite worsening relations between China and the U.S. over Hong Kong and human rights abuses. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.